Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the concept of Chinese remainder theorem. And it is a common remainder that we are basically finding from this particular formula. Let's say we are taking a particular entity, any entity. So if we are dividing this entity amongst 5 people, among 7 people, and among 11 people. If any entity is divided, we are getting the remainders in the form of 1. Let's say if I'm dividing among 7 members, that again remainder is 1. And if we are dividing among 11 members, we are getting the remainder 3. So this is the common remainder that we are getting after dividing a particular entity with 5, 7, and 11. Now, the important point is that it means what is the value of this entity if this answer is coming. So, this is actually calculated by a particular formula where we are writing that we are having n, right? N when because remainder is 1. So, it means if I'm dividing among 5 people, I will get the remainder 1, right? Same applies if I am dividing the particular scenario with 7, I will get the remainder 1. And if I'm getting dividing amongst 11 members, I'll get the remainder 3. So that's why I'm writing 1 mod 5 is 1, 1 mod 7 is 1, and 3 mod 11 is 3. That's what we are getting. So what we will do is we have a particular scenario in which this entire whole scenario can be calculated, and the formula is n is taken as m1 a1 x1. This is a predefined formula, m2 a2 x2 plus m3 a3 x3, and that answer is modulus with capital M. So if I'm writing that n was 1 mod 5, n answer is 1 mod 7, and n answer was 3 mod 11. So these 113, these are known as A1, A2, and A3. And 5, 7, 11 are M1, M2, and M3. Small m1, m2, m3. Right? So your capital M, your capital M is the calculation of M1 multiplied with M2 multiplied with M3. So that means 5 multiplied by 7, which is 35, multiplied with 11, which is 385, is capital M, right? Now, we have to calculate M, this answer, because we have got A1, A2, A3. We have to calculate capital M1, capital M2, capital M3. So capital M1 is capital M divided by small m1. Capital M2 is capital M divided by M2. And capital M3 is capital M divided by M3. So if I want to calculate this whole particular scenario, this is 385 divided by M1. M1 is 5. The answer is 77. This answer 385 divided by 7, the answer is 55. And M3 is 385 divided by small m3. I guess its answer is 35. X1 mod of M1, answer is 1. M2 X2 mod of M2, answer is 1. M3 X3 mod of M3 is equal to 1. So the value would be 77, right? And x1 we have to calculate mod of m1. m1 value is 5 is equal to 1. So guys, if I do this particular scenario, or will calculate 55 x2 mod of 7 is equal to 1, and 35 x3 mod of 11 is equal to 1. So if I want to calculate 77 mod 5, the answer is 2, right? The answer for that particular scenario, or if I just want to calculate this scene, the answer is 2x1 mod of 5 is equal to 1. So what should I put over here? In this x1 value, the answer turns out to be 1. x1, if I put 1, so 2 mod 5 is actually 2. If I put x1 is equal to 2, so 4 mod 5, 4. If I put x1 is equal to 3, if I put x1 is equal to 3, let's say 2 multiplied by 3 mod of 5, the answer is 1. 6 mod 5 answer is 1. It means your x1 value is 3. Similarly, 55 mod 7, the answer 55, if I have to calculate this, 55 mod 7, what is the answer? So the answer is 6 x2 mod of 7 is equal to 1. That's what we are calculating, right? So what should I put in this x2? I have to put the value. If I put x2 is equal to 1, so the answer becomes 6. If I put x2 is equal to 2, 12 mod 7, the answer is 5. If I put x2 is equal to, let's say I put x2 as 5. So it is 30, 30 mod 7. Again, the answer is 2. If I put x2 as 6, 6 multiplied by 6 mod 7, the answer is actually 1, 36 mod. So this answer x2 is equal to 6, x1 is equal to 3. And let's find x3. x3, 35 mod 11, the answer is 2. 2x3 mod of 11, how will we get the answer? So if I put x3 as 3, so I have to get the answer 1. So I have to put some value to x3. If I put x3 as 6, so 2 multiplied by 6 mod of 11, 22 mod 11, the answer is 22. Sorry, it is 2 multiplied by 6 actually is 12. 12 mod 11, the answer is 1. So clearly this answer x3 is equal to 6 is taken place. So we got the answer as x1 is equal to 3, x2 and x3 is equal to 6. Just use the formula and try to get the answer accordingly. If I'm using the formula, n is equal to m1 a1 x1 m2 a2 x2 plus m3 a3 x3 mod of capital M. So the answer we are taking as 77 multiplied by 1 multiplied by x1, which is 3. 55, a2 value is 1 and x2 value is 6. 35 multiplied by 3, right? Multiplied by 6 mod of 385. If I calculate the whole scenario, the answer is 1191 mod of 385. And the answer for n would be 36, guys. Clearly, you can even test it out. 36 when divided among 36 we have got 36 if divided among 5 members, remainder is 1. 36 if divided among 7 members, the remainder is 1. 36 when divided by with 11 members, the remainder becomes 3. So your n becomes 36, which is a common dividing factor. That's how your channeling remainder theorem works. Like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Kindly share it to maximum audience so that we can reach numbers. Thank you very, very much for your support.